welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna install my wig really quick. This is kind of like a vlog style video, and if you hear anything in the background, don't worry because we're starting out close. This wig is from Westkiss hair. This is their 99J 180% density 22 inch. A lot of people on Instagram were asking me about this wig, but I didn't get a chance to like actually record me putting it on. And I think I'm gonna do some stuff today, so I'm just gonna put it on just because I don't want to look like this whole day. And my face is working out, like you guys already know, so a wig will make me feel better than having my crusty cornrows. I'm gonna put on my 2 wig caps just like I normally do. If you watch my channel, you already know how I do. I do my 2 wig caps, and this helps to compress my braids like I always say. I'm probably gonna vlog today, but I'd be so scary. Like, I don't know. I just feel like nobody wants to see me just walking around or not talking about anything, because my life is very boring. So this is the wig. It's this burgundy color. If you know me, you know burgundy is my favorite hair color. That was my natural hair color. I'm just making sure that this is pulled right. I'm thinking if I should do it glueless. Probably. It's hot in here. Look at this wig. Look at this lace, actually. This is nice. A lot of people, when I posted that picture, after I was done doing my haul, a lot of people were like, where'd you get the burgundy hair? I do recommend when you wash it to scrunch the ends, because when you scrunch the ends it gives it a defined coil. I'm gonna fast forward the part of me spraying this wig down because I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing me install my wig 1,000 times. I wish y'all could see how I'm sitting right now. I'm literally sitting on my makeup case like a chair, because I'm not about to set up. Today is Saturday, and it's like, you know, Saturday, if you're in a Caribbean household, it is cleanup day. Well, Sundays are cleanup days, but Saturdays too if you're home. Spray the got to be spray, because the got to be spray don't be turning my lace white. And this is exactly what I did for that picture, and everybody thought I glued the wig down, but I didn't. And I'm blowing it on cold air because I don't want the hot air to make my lace turn gray. Do y'all get tired of seeing wig installs? Let me know down below, because I feel like I'm tired of seeing wig installs. If you are tired of seeing wig installs, what type of videos are you interested in at the moment? Like, what do you find yourself watching on YouTube a lot? I feel like I find myself watching a lot of like prank calls and a lot of home decor videos. So let me know below so I can see what you guys like, and I might be able to incorporate that into my channel.
Right on time, you must have just read my mind. If we skip the small talk part, you now, I don't have to stay till morning. I don't have to pack no clothes.
I'm just taking my time to, this is a quick process, but you want to take your time, because if you don't take your time, it's just gonna be a hot ass mess, and you're gonna be salty and wonder why your lace is all bunched up and crinkly. And
I don't want to fight for your love. Just do what you do to my body. I just wanna bring us home. Keep me coming, make me want it, take you want it, don't you love it? How do you want it, when you want it, where we going? Oh, living room floor.
Feel the blood rushing through my body. See the stars painted over my skin. I'm holding on to the top of the building. That love inside of the city.
I don't know if I'm gonna do a defined part. The part goes back right here. I don't know if I want to do a defined part or just like leave it so I could flip it over. I'm probably gonna do a flip over type of look, because that's what I'm feeling with my plain outfit. And if you did not check out my birthday get ready with me, I will have it linked up in the eye over here so you guys can check it out. I just feel like I'm so boring. Like, I feel like I'm the type of person, I literally have to be teaching something, or I just feel like dang, this is boring.
That's the thing for the child. That's something better. Got candy in my eyes.
Alright, I think this is good enough for me. Just going to loosen this up and brush it back. All the long hairs, that's not necessary. Okay, so this is how that's looking. I'm gonna go ahead and do the baby hairs really quick. I'm not doing too much baby hairs because I want it to be real natural. So I do this. You might want to wash your baby hairs brush so it's not like a bunch of little crusties. And then spray the baby hair toothbrush with Got To Be spray. You could also go ahead and use fluffy stuff, but I won't recommend it because you'll be tight when your wig lift up. So brush it back. And then I kind of just swoop the little hairs that I already had, because this is a reinstall, so I'm just going to swoop those little hairs that I already had. I look like a totally different person already. When you put a wig on, you just be feeling so different. Alright, I'm gonna tie the front down just for like 5 minutes. You just want to make sure that it had some like pressure so it can melt into the lace. I mean into your skin. You want the lace to have some type of pressure. That's it. I'm gonna wear the hair out like this, but if you want, you can go in and do some moves, you know, to make it tame. But I don't want it to be tamed. I want it to be like a flip over puffy look. This install is like a 10-15 minute install, so you guys can try that out. And this is the deep wave texture. It's not curly. If you want to tame the curls, because if this is like too poofy for you, you could just use some mousse. I like mousse because it dries fast. Alright, you could just use some mousse and put it on the hair, and that will tame it down for you. I don't really want it to be tamed, so I'm not putting too much mousse in the hair, but yeah. I really love using this product. It's like an intense hydration oil. Aussie moist, and it smells delicious. So I put one full pump in my hand like that, rub it all through my hand, and then put it all over the hair. It just makes the hair smell great. Like literally, people are gonna give you compliments just because this smells so good. And make sure your hair looks so hydrated as well. Put the hair in a bun. If you know me, you know I like to put my curly hair in a bun. I'm gonna take this wire headband. I'm gonna just, this is super easy to do. Just like that. Your hair gonna be like this. Twist it around. Then I take a big hair tie. Just gonna tie it around. This is how I do my bun. Now I would cut some little pieces from the back and stuff, but I don't really care, so yeah. Alright you guys, thank you for watching. I will put all Westkiss hair links in the description box so you guys can check them out, because everybody was asking me about this hair a lot, so I'm gonna put it down below for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. I'm probably gonna vlog, but if I don't, thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.